Engineers called it a total loss. Half the structure was destroyed. And what they did next almost bankrupted them. Because this wasn't just a renovation, this was a high-risk business decision. And one wrong move would wipe out everything they had just days after a massive fire. This luxury mansion hit the market. Burned. Broken. Unlivable. Thousands saw the listing and instantly scrolled past it. But one couple stopped. Mike and Linda. No experience. No safety net. Just a vision and the willingness to take a risk most people wouldn't even consider. When they walked inside, reality hit hard. The air still smelled like smoke. The ceiling had collapsed. The damage was everywhere. And then came the pressure. Another buyer was already on the way. They had hours to decide, walk away, or risk their entire life savings. So they did something different. They used simple AI tools to quickly estimate renovation costs, timeline, and future value. It wasn't perfect, but it was enough. They said yes. And almost immediately, things started going wrong. Demolition exposed hidden damage. Water had soaked deep into the structure. The foundation looked weak. Then came the moment that changed everything. 3 engineers gave the same verdict. Tear it down. This house is a total loss. Imagine hearing that after spending $1.5 million. At that moment, it felt like they had just made the biggest mistake of their lives. Most people would quit. They didn't. Instead, they reviewed every report, every detail, and used AI tools to compare similar renovation cases. That's when they saw something others missed. Part of the structure could still be saved. Not easily, not cheaply, but it was possible. And that decision changed everything. But saving the house came at a price. A heavy machine cracked the driveway, turning into a $100,000 mistake. Rain poured into the open structure, causing more damage. Valuable materials were nearly destroyed. Every step forward came with another problem, another cost, another risk. Then they made a move most people miss. Instead of throwing everything away, they searched for hidden value. Inside the wreckage they found luxury fixtures, marble surfaces, custom ironwork, and sold them online. Piece by piece, they recovered thousands of dollars, turning losses into cash. This wasn't just rebuilding anymore. This was strategy. With no original plans, they rebuilt everything from scratch. A new vision, modern design, massive glass windows, open spaces filled with light. They invested heavily, took bigger risks, and made faster decisions using data and AI tools. Slowly, the ruins started to disappear, and something incredible took its place. After 18 months, non-stop stress, unexpected costs, and near failure, the impossible happened. That burned, broken mansion became a luxury dream home, worth millions. This wasn't luck. It was calculated risk, smart decisions, and using better tools than everyone else. Because in today's world, the people who win aren't the safest. They're the ones who act when others hesitate. If you want more stories about AI, business, and real ways to make money, subscribe to SmartBizAI. Because your next opportunity might look like a disaster at first.